You're using Google Docs every single day. You're opening Microsoft Word, checking Gmail, typing in Excel, and you have absolutely no idea that buried inside these apps is AI that could be doing half your work for you. We're not talking about ChatGPT. We're not talking about some new app you have to download. I'm talking about Google, Microsoft, and Apple. 3 of the biggest tech companies on the planet, quietly rolling out AI features inside tools you already pay for, already have installed, and probably opened this morning. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn them on, what they actually do, and the 5 ways each one can make you look like a productivity genius. Let's go. Quick roadmap for this video. We're covering 3 platforms: Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, and Apple Intelligence. For each one, I'm going to show you what the AI feature is, exactly where to find it, and the settings you need to enable first. At the end, I'm giving you a complete checklist, so you can walk away and turn all of this on in under 10 minutes. And I'll rank my personal favorite hidden feature of the 3 because one of them genuinely surprised me. Let's start with Google, because honestly, most people are sleeping on this one the hardest. Section 1, Google Workspace AI. Meet Gemini in Google Workspace. It's Google's AI assistant baked directly into Docs, Gmail, Sheets, Slides, and Drive. And if you have a personal Google account or a Workspace subscription, there's a very good chance you already have access to at least the free tier right now. The feature most people miss? The little sparkle icon, that star-shaped button sitting in the top right corner of your Google Docs. Most people think it's a premium upsell. It's not. Click it. How to access it. 1. Open any Google Doc. 2. Look for the Gemini side panel icon. Top right. Looks like a small constellation. If you don't see it, go to Extensions, Gemini for Workspace, Open. In Gmail, look for the Help Me Write button when composing a new email. In Sheets, click Insert, Ask Gemini. Enable note. Make sure your Google account has smart features turned on. Go to myaccount.google.com, Data and Privacy, Smart Features and Personalization, and toggle it on. Section 2, Microsoft 365 Copilot. Microsoft went all in. Microsoft Copilot is embedded inside Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams, and the level of integration here is honestly wild once you see it in action. The hidden part? Most Microsoft 365 subscribers don't realize Copilot is already partially available without paying extra. There's a free tier baked into Windows 11 and the web versions of Office apps. And if your workplace uses Microsoft 365 Business, your IT team may have already activated it. How to access it. 1. Open Word online at office.com. Look for the Copilot button in the home ribbon. 2. In Outlook, look for the Copilot icon when composing or reading emails. 3. In Excel, go to Home, Copilot, only available in Excel for the web or with a Copilot license. 4. In Teams, look for the Copilot icon in any chat or meeting. 5. In PowerPoint, Home, Copilot, Create Presentation About. Enable note. On Windows 11, press Windows key plus C to open Copilot. For full Office integration, go to Microsoft 365 Admin Center, Settings, Copilot, if you're on a business plan, or check your personal subscription at account.microsoft.com. Section 3, Apple Intelligence. Apple played it quiet, and that's exactly why most people missed it. Apple Intelligence rolled out in iOS 18.1 and macOS Sequoia 15.1, and it's built directly into the system. Not a separate app, not a subscription. If you have an iPhone 15 Pro or newer, or an M1 Mac or newer, you already have it. The hidden gem here is writing tools, and it's available in almost every text field on your device. Notes, mail, messages, pages, third-party apps, anywhere you type, Apple Intelligence is there. How to access it. Go to Settings, Apple Intelligence, and Siri. Toggle it on. In any text field, select Text, tap the paintbrush icon, Writing Tools. In Mail, compose a new email. Look for the sparkle icon in the toolbar. In Notes, select any text, tap Writing Tools from the pop-up. On Mac, System Settings, Apple Intelligence and Siri, Enable. Enable Note. You must have your device language set to English US. If you don't see the option, go to Settings, General, Language and Region, and make sure English US is added. Also ensure you're on iOS 18.1 Plus or macOS 15.1 Plus. The Complete Enablement Checklist. Google. Turn on smart features in Google account settings. Enable Gemini side panel in Google Docs. Check for Help Me Write in Gmail. Microsoft. Check if Copilot is active in your Microsoft 365 account. Enable via Windows key plus C on Windows 11. Confirm your plan at account.microsoft.com. Apple. Update to iOS 18.1 Plus or macOS 15.1 Plus. Enable Apple Intelligence in Settings. Make sure language is set to English, US. Based on Microsoft's own research, Copilot users save an average of 74 minutes per day on routine tasks. Google's internal data shows Workspace AI reduces email drafting time by 40%. And Apple's writing tools, users report cutting editing time nearly in half. That's potentially 2+ hours back per day, just from tools you already... All right, here's my personal ranking. Number 3, Apple Intelligence writing tools. Great for quick rewrites and tone adjustments, super seamless, but still a bit limited in what it can do. Number 2, Google Gemini in Sheets. Writing formulas in plain English? That alone is worth enabling. Saves so much time. And my number 1 favorite hidden feature? Microsoft Copilot in Teams. The ability to catch up on meetings you missed with a full summary, decisions, and action items without asking anyone? That one genuinely changed how I work. I use it every single week. So there you have it. 3 platforms, 15 features, all things you already have access to right now. If you got value from this video, smash that like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow. And if you want more breakdowns like this, subscribe, because I'm dropping a video every week on AI tools that actually move the needle. Comment below, which one of these are you turning on first? I read every single comment. See you in the next one.